All right, tonight, some major retailers making changes because of dangerous amounts of lead in some purses. It's a story the ABC 15 investigators exposed last year. ABC 15's Joe Ducey has the latest.
More than 40 major retailers have agreed to limit the amount of lead used in handbags. The Center for Environmental Health announced a $1.7 million legal agreement after it released findings last year showing hundreds of purses and accessories contained high levels of lead. The ABC 15 investigators also found purses laced with lead at Target, one of the retailers that has agreed to limit lead. In July 2009, we found this orange exhilaration purse showed lead levels of 4,490 parts per million, more than 7 times the EPA's legal limit for lead in paint. An even higher lead level was found in this yellow exhilaration purse. Its surface contained 7,540 parts per million of lead, more than 12 times the limit. While there's no federal standard for lead in purses,
I think it's dangerous.
Diane Eccles with the Arizona Department of Health Services said children who mouth or chew these purses are most at risk.
I could see a child being lead poisoned from these types of purses.
Companies involved in the agreement will follow these new standards. No more than 90 parts per million of lead in paint or other surface coating. No more than 600 parts per million of lead in leather. No more than 300 parts per million of lead in vinyl or any other materials. These new requirements start December 1st of this year. As one of the companies that settled, Target, tells ABC 15 it has agreed to a limit on lead in certain handbag materials going forward. For the latest on this settlement and to see the other companies involved, log on to abc15.com and under the Money tab, click on Consumer Alerts. I'm investigator Joe Ducey, ABC 15 News.